Okay, I'm gonna show you a little trick with this Garmin. Just for, say for instance, you want to know the distance from one destination to another. Like if you are, like for my purpose, I need to know from the yard, Rockford yard, to the location to the pipeline. So, cause we get paid for mileage, so we need to calculate our miles. So here go what you do. First, it says hit where to, and then hit the trip planner. Once you hit the trip planner, new trip, select the location. I'm gonna click right here, and I'm gonna go down to my saved. I saved some locations, so I'm gonna see all saved locations, and you see the Rockford yard. We don't have to go in every morning, so I need to know the distance from that yard. So I click on it and I hit select. Then I want select my destination where I'm going to. So I go down to saved, all places, and I'm gonna go down and I'm gonna find County Road. Let's see. Let's go with 243. So I click on it. I hit select. Hit next. Now to see the distance, go up here to these three lines. Click on it and hit review trip. And as you can see, it's 16 miles and it takes 18 minutes. And down here it tells you the directions how to get to it. So let's do this one more time. Let's go to another destination. We don't want to save that. We'll hit cancel. So we start from the front. So you go where to, and you want to go to trip planner, new trip. We're going to select the location. I'm going to go down to my saved location, all saved places, the Rockford yard. I'm going to hit select, and my destination, I click on it. I'm going to click this button, go down to saved places, all places. So we're going to go down. I'm going to just try another place. Let me see if I can find location 35. It's the end of the pipeline. So right here, I-35. Click on it and hit select and hit next, and then go up here to hit view trip. So I'll be driving 47 miles from that location at the end of the pipeline. So it's taking 47 miles and 51 minutes. So that's how you can find from one location to the next. If this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching welding and stuff.